Hey guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in the following video I will guide you to send reminder on Evite. Now if you want to send a reminder on Evite to a guest but you don't know how to do it, then this is the video for you. So simply watch the video till the very end to know about it. So let's get started. Now sending a reminder on Evite is a great way to ensure that your guest remembers your event. So here is how we can do it. The first thing which you need to do is open Evite app on your device. So if you have not installed, you may install it from App Store or Play Store. So after that, open the Evite app on the device and make sure that you are logged into your account. So if you are not logged in, you may log in by using the username and password. So after that, go to your events. So if you have created any events, then you'll see the option of my events. Click on it, and here you will see the option of the events which you have done, and you need to find the event you want to send the reminder for. So I have not created any event. If you have created any events, then you will see in this page. So after that, you need to click on the event you want to send the reminder for. So in the event detail page, you should see an option labeled as send reminder or send a reminder. So click on it and click on the option of send reminder, and you can choose to send a reminder to all the guests or a selected specific guest. So if you want to send the reminder to a specific guest, then you may also choose the specific guest, or if you want to send the reminder to all the guests, then you may simply send the reminder to all the guests. So that's it. That's how you can send the reminder to your guest on Evite. Thank you for watching the video. Please don't forget to like the video and subscribe to our channel for more tutorial videos.